How to delete all of your messages on TikTok at once. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can delete all of your messages on TikTok. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your preferred account. Now head over to your chat section by tapping on the inbox icon at the bottom right corner. So once you land on your chat page, you have to understand that TikTok does not have a built-in feature to delete all of your messages or chats at once. So each conversation must be deleted individually. So once you're on your chat page, you have to locate the conversation that you wish to delete. After that, press and hold on the conversation, and here you have to tap on delete and then again confirm it. Now the chat is deleted. Now you have to repeat these steps for each of the conversation that you want to delete on your TikTok account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.